Hi, Jean Falb here, certified tax coach and enrolled agent, and I'm just making a hopefully short video that will go over at a high level the process of what it's like to work with me to do a 1040 personal return period. This is effective as of September 18th, 2019 and subject to change. Typically, the engagement starts where we've had a phone conversation, however it is that you found me, and I try to determine the complexity and the components and the forms of your return based on our phone interview. And at that point, I'm able to give you a fixed price. And assuming you want to move forward, then I'm going to ask you to come to my website here and make a payment. And you can pay as a guest, or you can log in if you want to keep that as an ongoing way to pay me. And then I would receive an email once that's done. The next step is for me to send you an engagement letter. And if you are married or filing a joint return of any kind, then I would, both parties that are on, both taxpayers that are on the return would need to sign this. This is all done through Adobe digitally. You can do it on your phone, on your computer, and so it's pretty quick. I'm going to go over everything on here. Generally, this is going to quote your pricing. It's going to tell you that I'm going to do the return based on information that you're going to give me. If you have a business and you require a Schedule C on your 1040 and you have bookkeeping that needs to be done, that would be in addition to this. And also, if it turns out that you need extra forms, like an installment agreement or a change to your depreciation, or if you need a state return, those would be extra. This does not cover, I would encourage you to read it. It doesn't cover it. There's no audit protection or anything like that. So it's really just for the tax preparation portion of the engagement. Next, I'm going to send you this fillable form. It's just going to ask you basic questions, your birth date, address, marital status, if any, your kids. Did you sell a home? Do you have anything to do with Bitcoin? Do you own assets or have cash in a foreign country or an interest? And those kind of things. I'm going to ask you for your driver's license. The IRS does require that, and that is for your protection and mine to make sure that you are who you say you are and we're not participating in fraud. I'm also going to ask you for your previous year's return. So I'm going to go back. And you can send a file here. It knows who I am, so but you can upload as a guest, and you just take a scan, upload that, and I get notification that has happened so that I can interact with that. It's really helpful. In fact, it's a condition of the engagement that I get the previous year's return so that we can be sure that we're not missing things from year to year, and it just helps with trends and to kind of make comparisons. So, and then I am required to electronically file, so you will receive one form that authorizes me to do that, and you would sign that digitally as well. Generally, I have a 2-week lead time. Can be a little more in the height of the season, but I would allow that. And so you want to start this process when you have everything that you think you need so that it'll go as smoothly as possible. Certainly, I'm going to ask clarifying questions, and I may need more information that you didn't anticipate, and that's fine. I will likely do that via email because then we have a track of what has occurred, and that can be saved as my work papers so that we can know why we did what we did on their tax return. So that is it. You do get a copy at the end of all of that. Once I have confirmation from the IRS that your return has been accepted, then you're going to receive a digital copy from me via a secure portal. And that is the end of it, and you can go on with your life. So I look forward to working with you this year if that's a choice that you want to make. And for sure, you can ask me any questions along the way. Signing off, cheers, and have a great day.